Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to review some candy that KoKo's Candy sent me. They sent me this huge box of candy, and look what's inside. There's so many candies to choose from, but I'm going to pick a few of my favorite, and let's look closely at them. Let's start with this Icy Snack Bar candy. Now, as you can see, it has three different things here. It has a burger, fries, and a drink. We'll look at the candy drink first, and it is icy made, and this is red cherry. It has a little top on. When you open that up, this is like a sour drink. Very sour, red cherry. It's pretty cool. Now the burger has multiple layers. You want to unscrew and pop off the top. This right here is candy. It's like a little lollipop in there with some powder. And they actually have powder inside of here. I don't know if you can see it on camera. You can see the blue powder. When I lick the lollipop and stick it in there, turn it upside down, and open it back up, you can see all the powder stick to the wet lollipop. And then you just keep on eating it. Fun little candy. Now you might be asking, what's in the French fries? Well, when you open it up, it's a spray. And as you see right here, little sour spray. Pretty cool. Just looks like regular French fries. So that's the Icy Snack Bar. That's what that is. So it's a fun little creative thing where you're having candy, but you're also playing with the little toys too. Next up, we're going to do the Candy Hot Pot. What is a Candy Hot Pot? Well, it looks kind of like sushi, and it has little gummies and stuff. I'm going to open this up and see what we got here. So, of course, we're going to open this up and try one of the little gummies. Pretty good, gummy. And underneath, what do we have here? Whoa, looks like noodles, but I'm sure it's a candy. And let's check this out. Pretty cool. It's a little chalky, but I think that's the idea. Not bad. Not a lot of flavor to it, but still a fun little creation. And underneath, what is this? I don't know what are these chopsticks? I'm not sure if these are chopsticks or supposed to be chopsticks, you know, candy chopsticks. Oh, they're pretty cool. They're like the stuff you would dip in the powder. I can't remember the name of that stuff. But I guess these are like chopsticks, and you can use this to eat your candy. Pretty cool. And these are edible. The last one I'm going to review is this Glow Pacifier. And what it is just a big candy, but it lights up. Let's give it a shot. So here is the Glow Pacifier. If you look at it, it has this little button on the back where it lights up. So here we go. I'll act like a big baby. And it lights up. The Glow Pacifier is really cool, just like any other lollipop candy, I'd say, but it does glow and light up. Well, there you go. That's my review of some of these candies. You can see there's a bunch of different candies they have. I'm going to put a link to KoKo's candies in the description. Go check them out. You can see all the different candies they have and tell them James sent you. Until then, I'll see you next time.